Hey, in this video I will show you the best features of the Realme Buds Air 5 Pro. So, first of all, I will highly recommend you to install and use the Realme Link application on your iOS device on Android, because thanks to this we'll actually unlock a lot of features of this earbuds. And we are going to start from the bottom. When you go into the more, we can find, for example, the automatic in-ear detection, so they will actually automatically pause audio when you actually remove them from the ears. Next, we can also find all of these gestures. So the touch sensors are actually located just right here in this place. And you can find double tap, triple tap, and touch and hold. And you can even customize these gestures. That's how it looks for the double tap. There we got triple tap. And here we can find touch and hold. If for some reason you don't want to use gestures, you can select no, and you can just turn them off. Next, we can find the low latency mode, so we can turn it on by clicking here. And this is actually the 40 milliseconds, so that's a really nice value. It will reduce this lag when you are watching something or playing games, so pretty useful. Also, we can find here the dual device connection, which means that we can connect these earbuds to the two devices. When you go right here, we can find some other useful options, like here we can find the golden sound, and this function actually customize our ear canal structure and hearing characteristics. So once you actually start this test, you will have to move the dots that will appear right here, and I just find out that my right ear canal is actually it's actually not that good as the left one, so I can actually hear volume much better on the left one. So we can customize it here, and you can actually use this preset. You can just simply turn it on if you want. Right here we can also find the spatial audio. There's also the LDAC audio codec, the dynamic bass, and here at the top we can also find sound effects, so we can find this normal presets and we can create the custom one. And when you go for this noise cancellation or the transparency mode, you can find to enhance voices for the transparency mode, or for the noise cancellation you can also find the smart wind technology. And that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.